Okay, so like you really can't see us, but that's my Tia. You definitely can't see her. No, my cosplay. And then our niece is right over there. We the only black people up in this movie. We went to go see the Dilemma. I wish you could see the I mean, you see the phone. You can't really
If
see
you've had
much.
Coke in the last 40 years,
This is our niece. That's
you
our
play a
niece.
part in
Our
the
niece. That's
largest
my
ever
Tia.
one of the people in the world.
Do you guys want to go out for a little bit and come back? Let's go. Ain't nobody in here. Okay. We'll be back. We'll be back. They won't be. Okay, so we're walking out of the movie theater because we're only black people up in here. Okay. We're walking out. Okay, you're about to see everybody now. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. There's really no black people up in that movie. So, okay. Alright, there's our niece. It's my tea. I'm serious. No, I mean, y'all really got to see the one I did this afternoon. It's so fun. So, yeah. There you go. We're not going to have no seats. That's why we go back. What's the point, girl? We ain't black people up in that thing.
It's right there. It's right here, y'all. We got a ticket though, so it don't matter.
Yeah, it don't matter, right, our niece? Better be some seat up in there. Where we going? Well, I mean, not where we going. I thought you were gonna walk to the... Who? Who?
Alright.
Hey,